Alright guys, sorry I only have one hand. Got my HK Army gear bag. Looks like they put all the stuff in here. Holy crap, it's heavy. And we got that stuff. And then you have my gun rack. Or stand, I mean. Whatever that is. Alright, now let's pull out all the actual stuff. Shoot, I don't even really. Hang on. So first off, we got my Ninja 6845. That actually looks a lot nicer than I was expecting it to. And we got just a goggle mask cover. HK Army Speed Feed. Dye rotor black to the accent. Got my HK Army 4+3 pod back. And HK Army, basically that is everything HK Army. Pants, large. And you got my jersey. That's about it. Oh yeah. And my tank cover. I don't think they put anything in here. Forgot about this. And you have that. Alright, that's it.